Hello friends, today we will explain the biot-savart laplace law. What is biot-savart laplace law? This law states regarding the magnetic field generated by an electric current flowing through a wire. When an electric current flows through a wire, a magnetic field is set up around the wire. Regarding the magnitude and direction of that magnetic field, this biot-savart Laplace law is given. According to this law, if there is a wire, this is a wire, through this wire a current of I ampere is flowing, then a very small piece of wire is taken. This small piece of wire, as it is denoted in the figure, its length is dl and the current is I flowing through the wire. Then IDL is called current element. Due to this current element, a magnetic field will be set up around this current element. Suppose that P is a point whose distance is OP, OP is equal to R. Then at P point a magnetic field will be created. Suppose this elemental magnetic field is dB, then according to biot-savart Laplace law, dB is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi IDL sin theta by R square. Here theta is the angle between the direction of current element and the direction of R. OP is equal to R. Angle between these two lines is theta. And this formula was given by biot-savart Laplace, so it is called biot-savart Laplace law. Now, due to this ideal current element at P point, the intensity of magnetic induction is dB, then dB is directly proportional to ideal. dB is directly proportional to 1 by R square, or we can say that dB is inversely proportional to R square. dB is directly proportional to sin theta. From these three equations, dB is directly proportional to ideal sin theta by R square, and dB is equal to some constant into ideal sin theta by R square. This constant is written as mu 0 mu r but 4 pi. Here mu 0 is called absolute permeability of air or vacuum. Mu r is called relative permeability of medium. If the medium is air, then mu r is equal to 1. Then for air medium, dB is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi ideal sin theta by R square Tesla. The unit of dB is Tesla. It is also called Weber by meter square. This dB is a vector quantity. It has magnitude and direction. Up till now, the magnitude of dB is given in this equation. If we have to find the direction and magnitude both of dB, then dV vector is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi ideal cross r by magnitude of r cube. Here this ideal cross r, this cross product gives the direction of dV. The direction of dV is also given by Fleming's right hand thumb rule. What is Fleming's right hand thumb rule? If the conductor is held by right hand and the thumb represents the direction of current, then at any point the direction of dV will be given by the direction of rest of the four fingers. So the direction of dV is given by two laws. The first is determined by ideal cross r and the second is given by Fleming's right hand thumb rule. Now some special cases. If theta is equal to 90 degree, this means this P point is such that OP is perpendicular on IDL. Then sin 90 is equal to 1, so dV will be equal to mu 0 by 4 pi IDL by R square Tesla. This is the maximum value of dV at a given point. Second case, if theta is equal to 0, that is, this point is taken along the line of current element, then angle will be 0. In this case, dV will be equal to 0 because sin 0 is equal to 0. If the P point is taken towards opposite of this straight line, opposite of this ideal, that is, if P point is here, then the angle theta will be 180, and in this case also dV will be 0 because sin 180 is equal to 0. In this way, by applying the biot savart Laplace law, we can find the magnitude and direction of intensity of magnetic induction at a point due to a current element IDL. And in this way, this theory is complete. Thank you.